We are camping here, and we got this ribs wrapped in garlic, ginger, and a bunch of spices. And we're gonna put it in the fire and let it cook. The meat is cooking from the sides. Slow heat, and it's gonna slow cook. It's gonna be delicious. Budi, Kammeli. We are burning the ribs now.
It's gonna be a smoked, dried leaves flavored ribs. Yes, I holy gone.
What? Holy? Who?
It's right that way.
You're making a special ribs called kara ribs.
So this is gonna work. This is the charcoal for the ribs. Can we move this a little bit further? I think it's too late now. It's too hot. It's too hot. I mean, put one more. The fuck is going on? Yeah, let's see.
You're providing more oxygen for the fire?
You can try it.
Took it out from here.
I have it.
No, I just took it out.
Oh, make it cool karanna. If we put it low heat, they would have been smoked even more. But I don't understand how the car would make it.
Direct heat.
Shouldn't have. Well, it's only one side, so probably before we did that.